I was able to make it to this tiny house building course because I received a scholarship from Wild Abundance. Tiny house building is something I've been interested in for since I was a teenager, you know, just researching van life, tiny house living, kind of the whole rabbit hole. I really have been on y'all's newsletter for a long time, just like watching and on the wait list. I had to make it happen. Yeah, had to make it happen. So I'm really grateful, really grateful. I didn't feel talked down to at any point. I felt very like encouraged and uplifted, especially starting from like zero. That being said, I feel competent to use power tools when I go home. I feel like I could jump on a crew of a team and learn and fill in and have some skills, whether it's measuring, whether it's cutting, whether it's leveling. I feel like I have some skills that I could be on the crew. I think I'm gonna go and try and hop on a Habitat for Humanity crew to just kind of continue building skills from here. Yeah. If you're interested in learning the skills, then apply. All the concerns about like being in the mountains or being outside of like Atlanta's the city, so like being outside of the city, like I had all those concerns as well. And by the time I got here, I felt grateful that I made the trip, and I felt held well by my cohort mates and the land here and the instructors. So I say do your due diligence in terms of yourself to feel like well prepared, but if you want to get the skills, then apply so that you can learn.